Our over 50s, which is what is called, come in every week, every Wednesday. They have a lunch, again with our pupils, and then after the lunch then they'll go off, they'll go to the library, they'll play Scrabble, they'll do bingo.
It's not just the lunch, not just the food, it's the people you meet.
When I first came here, we sort of knew 2 people, I think, and out of the whole lot. And it's friendly.
It more or less brings the community together.
As I live on my own, I'm always looking for somewhere to go and somebody to chat with.
It helps you socialise with everyone, basically.
Before I used to come here, people always used to get me to do press and bwyta stuff. And now I've saw them, so the oldest benchers, they're telling me not to do it.
A lot of youngsters always think, oh, old fogies, boring, don't go anywhere, always moaning. But they're coming to realise that we're not all boring and we've all lived interesting lives.
General feeling is that young people are hooligans, and you see children here, or youngsters here, and you see that it's not like that.
We've been on Welsh television, we've been on Welsh News, we've been on a programme with Hugh Edwards, so we've had, if you like, fantastic publicity about it.
Basically the kindest people you'll ever meet, because I come here this year and they've talked to me, they've been really kind to me.
For me it was unfortunate I lost a wife, otherwise she would have been here with me. But there you are, I'm on my own. So it's even more important now than it was before.